How to delete your page post on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete your page post on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and scroll down until you find settings, and then just not settings, this one here, pages, and then select your page, and here just go to your post and click these 3 points, and then click delete post, and yes, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.